Which WBC is present in the highest number in blood? NEET 2020. Basophils, neutrophils, monocyte, eosinophils. Correct answer, neutrophils. Which blood group is a universal recipient? NEET 2018. A, AB, B, O. Correct answer, AB. Which enzyme breaks down fibrin to dissolve clot? NEET 2017. Pepsin, plasmin, trypsin, thrombin. Correct answer, plasmin. Which component of blood does not contain a nucleus? NEET 2016. WBC, RBC, platelets, monocyte. Correct answer, RBC. Which blood vessels carries deoxygenated blood? NEET 2022. Pulmonary vein, hepatic artery, pulmonary artery, aorta. Correct answer, pulmonary artery. What prevents the backflow of blood in the heart during contraction? NEET 2019. Septum, valves, atria, ventricles. Correct answer, valves. What is the lifespan of RBC? NEET 2020. 60 days, 90 days, 120 days, 180 days. Correct answer, 120 days. Which blood group has no antigen? NEET 2018. A, AB, B, O. Correct answer, O. Which WBC has the longest lifespan? NEET 2021. Eosinophils, lymphocyte, neutrophils, basophils. Correct answer, lymphocyte. Which blood group is a universal donor? NEET 2019. AB, O, A, B. Correct answer, O. Which part of the heart initiate heartbeat? NEET 2016. AV node, SA node, Purkinje fiber, bundle of His. Correct answer, SA node. What prevent clotting of blood inside vessels under normal conditions? NEET 2022. Heparin, thromboplastin, calcium, fibrinogen. Correct answer, heparin. What is the function of monocyte? NEET 2017. Antibody production, blood clotting, phagocytosis, oxygen transport. Correct answer, phagocytosis. Which plasma protein helps maintain osmotic balance? NEET 2021. Fibrinogen, albumin, globulin, prothrombin. Correct answer, albumin. Which blood group has A and B antigens but no antibodies? NEET 2023. AB, O, A, B. Correct answer, AB. Which plasma protein maintains the defense mechanism? Albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, prothrombin. Comment your answer in comment box. If you got more than 10 correct, you are on track. Comment how many you got right.